Students, today in this session, I am going to teach in probability one or two sums. First sum, in a class of 35, in a class there are 35 students. They are named in roll number 1 to 35. The ratio of boys to girls, remember boys first, boys to girls 4 is to 3. So ratio given is boys to girls. Boys to girls equal to 4 is to 3. The roll numbers of student begin with boys first. So for starting boys, we are beginning with boys in roll number first and then end with girls. So first they are starting. Suppose you are taking some 20 numbers, means 1 to 20 will be boys, 21 to 35 will be girls. Okay, then for the probability, find the probability that a student selected is either a boy with prime number, prime roll number. So first we have to find the probability for boy with prime roll number or girl with composite roll number or even roll numbers for the boys and girls together. So what are things we have to find out here? First we have to find out for probability for prime numbers, boy with prime numbers, prime roll numbers, and girl with composite roll numbers, second one. Third you have to find even roll number for both boys and girls. And or it is given. Already in the previous session I told or means you have to find out, suppose you are taking this is A means boy with prime number, A means girl if you are taking B means, and C if you are taking even roll number for both boys and girls. That means you have to find out either or means always in probability you have to find out P of A union B union C using the formula. Okay, first we need how many boys and girls. Only ratio is given and total number of students given. Total is given here 35. So you know in mathematics you would have studied ratio and proportion. All you find first ratio, you have to add it. So you're getting 4 plus 3 7. So now easily we can find out boys. All you find out boys. What is a boys ratio? So what is the ratio? How to find ratio? You have to take first boys ratio, what is given 4 by total 4 plus 3 7 into total number of students. This is a method. In smaller class you would have studied. Ratio given means first number what it indicates boys. So 4 for boys it is 4 by total into total number of students. So how many boys are here? 7 in 35, 5 times. So 5 fours are 20. So total number of boys 20. Girls same way. What is the girls ratio here? 3. So 3 by 7 into 35. 7 goes here 5 times. So we are getting 15 girls. So out of 35 we are having how many boys? 20 boys and 15 girls. Using this only we are going to find out probability. So that means what is given here? Given that n equal to total number of students, n of s will take it, sample space is 35. So your total number is here 35. So that means total is a number only, a sample space. So n of s is 35. Now first we are going to find out boy with prime roll number. Either a boy with prime roll number. So first one you have to find out boy with prime roll number. First we need what are numbers for boys. Boys only starting number. So if boys numbers are 1 2, how many students here in boys? 20. So roll numbers numbered 1 to 20. 1 2 3 4 5. You have to write everything, then only it will be easy for us to find out probability. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now if you don't write, sometimes you'll do mistakes. Now girls starts from 21 to 35, 15 students. So 22, 23, 4, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Write neatly so that you'll understand. Now we are going to start with boy with prime number only, your probability A. So probability A, I am getting boy with prime number, prime roll number. Okay, boy's number, you know, it is starting from 1 to 20. Here we know 1 is neither prime nor composite, so we cannot take 1. 2 is prime number, but it is a even prime number. So which are the prime numbers we are having here? 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Already I told in one session, prime number means it is divisible by itself, not by any other number. It is divisible by 1 or by itself. That is called prime number. So if you take all this number, it is, if you apply the rule, it is divisible by only itself or by 1. So you are getting A is, what are the numbers you are getting? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now we are going to find out P is probability of getting girl with composite roll number. Girl with composite roll number. So girl composite roll number. Just write in short form, just it is for our information only. So B is here composite. What is composite number? That also I explained in previous class. Which are the numbers prime number other than prime numbers are called composite number. If you take this number, prime numbers are 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. In boys, if you take composite numbers are 1 is neither prime nor composite, so don't take always. So 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. But in our sum, they didn't ask boys, so we must go to girls. In girls, what are prime numbers? You mark it. Remaining numbers must be taken for composite number. So if you take here, 23 is prime number. Then if you come all this composite number, 29 and then 31. There's 3 numbers only prime number. But we need girl with composite number. Why I marked prime number as here? If you omit this 3 prime numbers, remaining numbers are taken as composite number. Why? Because it is in girls, they are asking composite number. Prime numbers, just circle it and remove that numbers. Remaining numbers you take it for composite number. So 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35. So now here if you see how many numbers you are getting, N of A, how many numbers you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N of A is 8. So what is P of A? P of A equal to N of A by N of S. That is 8 by N of S is 35. Same way, what is N of B? Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So N of B you are getting 12 numbers, composite numbers. So P of B is, formula once again I will write. For any variable B or A or C, N of B, here it is B by N of S. A means N of A by N of S. So P of B is, and what is N of B here? 12. So 12 by N of S is 35. So now you understand, children. Now we have to find out. Next, C is even roll number. Now we have to find even C is taken probability of getting even roll number. You know even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. But here we are having even roll number for both 1 to 35 numbers we have to find. Because it is not mentioned here even roll number, just it is generally mentioned. It is not mentioned that it is girl or boy. So 1 to 35 you have to write all the even roll numbers. So what are the even roll numbers here? 1 to 35 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. You all know even number. Just write even number between 1 to 35. So how many it's coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So N of C is 17. So you know P of C is N of C by N of S. Always for writing formula, always 1 mark or half mark will be given. So P of C is equal to 17 by, you know, N of S is 35. So it is a P of C. What you got P of A? P of A you got 8 by 35. P of B you got 12 by 35. P of C you got 17 by 35. Now we have to find out A intersection B. A intersection B. You know intersection means common for both. Just check here what is here. A is given here. A is here. This is your A. Boy with prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. What is B here? Which are the numbers common for both? Check it. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. See, always remember composite and prime, it is mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means there won't be any common number between that, because other than prime number only we are taking for composite number. So, but also it is for boys, it is for girls. So there won't be any common number. So A intersection B will be 0. It is 0. That means N of A intersection B is 0. So which implies P of A intersection B 0 by N of S. 0 by 35. Anything 0 by any number is always 0. So you are getting P of A intersection B is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find out B intersection C. What is here B? Check it. Both common numbers must be taken for B and C. B is 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. All here girls with B is girls number with composite number. So now what is a C here? Check the C number. C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It are all even numbers. So very easily take B and take the even numbers. In B even numbers if you take, you will get the B intersection C. So that you are getting 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So B intersection C, what you are getting now? 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So N of B intersection C is equal to 7. So P of B intersection C, you only write always formula. It is a same formula only. N of B intersection C by N of S, which is equal to N of B intersection C. How many you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is P of B intersection C is 7 by 35. So now you are getting P of B intersection C is 7 by 35. Now we have to find out A intersection C. So you have to check A. What is A here given? A is given here 2, 3, 5, 7 all prime numbers, boys prime numbers. C is even number. So you know C is even number and A is prime number. So what will you get the answer? But it is even number, but one number is here, prime number, even number in A. that is 2. Even prime number here. So remember always when you are comparing prime number, boy's prime number with even number, if any prime number here you can take, 2 is a prime number, even prime number. Only number in mathematics, even prime number is 2. So this is there. So common number for A and C is 2. That is only one number. That is n of A intersection C is equal to 1 number 1. Therefore, P of A intersection C is equal to 1 by 35. So getting 1 by 35. Now we have to find out P of A intersection B intersection C. To find this, first find out A intersection B intersection C. All the three common. See, one is prime number, A is prime number plus C. A is prime number, only one even number 2. B is composite number starting from 21. And C is even number, whole number. So all the three, if you take 2 won't be there here in B. So if you check all the three, here it is starting from 21 only, here 2 to 19, and here it is even numbers 2, but this 2 is for A and C only common, not for B. So if you check all these numbers, there is no common number at all. So we can write this as 0. N of A intersection B intersection C is 0, no elements. So it is 0. So now we can find out A union P of A union B union C. We finished all the three, we have to find out. What is the formula? P of A. If you have doubt in previous class, my class, if you go through, you will get all these formulas, how to do all this. Briefly I explained in the previous classes. So this is a formula. P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C. Already I told in the previous formula how to remember the formula also. Please go through. P of A intersection B intersection C. Now substitute all the values. P of A is, we found 8 by 35. P of B is 12 by 35. C is 17 by 35. 12 by 35 plus 17 by 35. A intersection B 0 minus B intersection C 7 by 35 and A intersection C is 1 by 35 plus all the three intersection, no common element, 0. Now we know here it is 1 by 35 written wrongly. Now we know all the denominators is 0, don't need to worry, just cancel it. And here we have denominator same, take it as LCM. 35 is the denominator, take it as LCM. So remember in probability, if at all you can cancel the numerator with denominator, don't cancel it, because when you are doing calculation, it will be useful for you to do common denominators there, we can take it as LCM. Suppose you cancel it, then you have to find out LCM and you have to calculate again. So it will be little difficult, not very difficult, but little difficult. Okay, now when you have common denominator, numerator, whatever number is there with the whatever sign, you can write it. Okay, now we know all the 3 plus sign, so add it. 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 17, 37, write plus sign, and 2 minus sign, add it, put that sign, by 35. We know 37 minus 8 is 29, so getting 29 by 35. So your answer is 29 by 35. Children, I hope you understand the sum. If you have doubt, go through many times. Slowly you can read the sum. 35 students given, ratio given, and it is now numbered with starting with boys and then girls, and the condition given for the boy. First we have to find out prime number, then probability B you have to find out composite, then even number. I explain what is composite, what is prime number, Go through, do it carefully while doing some one number. If you miss it, that's all. You will lose full marks. Step marks, you'll get very few marks. So please do it carefully. Thank you, students.